My name is Patrizio Peretti, and I'm a tour director for EF. I love this place. This place is absolutely awesome. Sometimes when I really have nothing to do, I like to come to the city center. I just start to walk very slowly and I start to pay attention to a little thing here, a little thing there. And my city, I think, is amazing for this because there's so much history in it. The same road that you took 1,000 times, you do it again, and this time you look just to the left and you see something that you've never noticed. And this actually, I think, is possible only when you slow down a little. When I actually start to slow down a little, calm down, deep breaths, start just to look around without nothing in mind, everything starts to make more sense. You start really to be part of that place. This is something that I also try to actually incorporate in my tours. Just take your time. You're not wasting time. You're actually living your life. And I think this is also one of the reasons that made me become a tour director, is actually to give this kind of feeling that I had, this enlightenment, to other people. With this job, I have an opportunity to actually, hopefully, inspire some of those students. My father actually once said me and said that the money that you spend traveling, they're not wasted money. It's like you're investing in yourself. I don't regret one single moment or one single cent. I went abroad, I looked for a job, I really pushed my limits. And after that, I was like, I don't want to stop this. I need to find a job that allows me, to keep traveling. And then this job happened. I was like, whoa, that's perfect. That's like what I wanted to be when I was a kid. And now I'm actually doing it. So I guess, dreams can sometimes come true.